Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest skincare innovations. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the beauty community, the Knox Age Focus Prime Wrinkle Multi-Balm Stick. If you're on the quest for the best wrinkle bounce balm, look no further. This isn't just any ordinary balm stick. It's formulated with a powerhouse combination of ingredients designed to combat wrinkles and fine lines while providing deep hydration and revitalization. Picture this: exclusive ingredients like Cedrol, a wrinkle-diminishing gem developed by LG, coupled with a blend of castor, moringa, and argan oils. It's a skincare dream team. One of the things I love about this balm stick is its versatility. Whether it's your eyes, frown lines, smile lines, or neck, this stick effortlessly glides onto your skin, leaving behind a soft, natural glow without any sticky residue. Plus, its easy retractable stick format makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups throughout the day. But what sets Knox apart? Well, let me tell you about their commitment to skincare innovation. Since 1995, Knox, under LG Beauty, has been revolutionizing the skincare industry with a focus on combating signs of aging. With their Have the Skin Age project, they're dedicated to providing proven solutions to address the main concerns of women worldwide. And it doesn't stop there. Knox offers a range of skincare solutions designed to cater to various skin concerns. From their Turnover 28 Advanced True Facial Cleanser to the Tervina AD Regenerating Skincare Set, Knox has something for everyone. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to radiant, youthful-looking skin, give the Knox Age Focus Prime Wrinkle Multi-Balm Stick a try. Your skin will thank you. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare insights and product recommendations. Until next time, stay beautiful.